a national southern Mobile County in southwest Alabama until 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles south of Regional Airport in West Mobile, or 9 miles west of I-10 and I-65, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Regional Airport in West Mobile, Midtown Mobile, Downtown Mobile, Tillman's Corner, Theodore, Satsuma, Saraland, Prichard, Interstate 65 and Highway 45. This includes Interstate 10 between mile markers 8 and 30. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 1 and 43. A tornado watch remains in effect until noon Central Standard Time Thursday for southwestern Alabama and northwest Florida and southeast Mississippi. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8 a.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Mobile,